Hello and welcome to Juicing Julie. Come right in. Let's make this pumpkin power juice. In today's recipe, we are going to be juicing this colorful looking culinary pumpkin. Very popular in this winter season, and it's usually best to juice fruits and vegetables during their most favorable seasons. This is culinary pumpkin in all its glory, and in this recipe I'm going to be juicing it with its skin and seed all together to get the best out of it. I've thoroughly washed it. Remember, washing and hand hygiene is critical with juicing. I love juicing culinary pumpkins because it is a simple and delicious way to unlock a powerhouse of nutrients. It is loaded with vitamin C, vitamins A, and potassium that supports good eye health, boosts immunity, and promotes glowing skin. It has natural antioxidants and fiber that helps with digestion, helps with weight management, and reduces inflammation. Therefore, it's perfect for a healthy lifestyle. Our next is celery, one of my favorite vegetables for juicing. Drinking celery juice is a simple, feel-good way to stay healthy. It hydrates, has vitamins and antioxidants, all natural to support digestive health, help with hydration, reduce bloating, and has a calming feeling. It's because of the hydration, it's also great for glowing skin. So you can't go wrong with celery. The only thing I will have to tell you is to make sure you separate your celery one at a time and wash it thoroughly because it does come with dirt. Pineapple is next on the line, and I always use the pineapple as my natural sugar in the juice. So pineapple juice gives you a burst of tropical flavor. Loaded with vitamin C, helps boost immunity, aids with digestion. Oh, and it is refreshing, sweet, and packed with antioxidants that keeps you feeling good, really good. Our choice of apples today are the red ones. It is tasty and a great way to boost our vitamins and antioxidants. It supports our heart, strengthens our immunity, and is a refreshing sweet treat for any time of the day. So you see how this combo is working out? This juice, I can't wait to taste it. Yum, yum, yum. And remember, one popular saying, an apple a day keeps you away from the doctor. Ginger is our next. Let the ginger you up. Yes, adding ginger to this juice that is already popping adds a zesty kick to it all. It is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that helps with digestion, boosts immunity, and it can even help with nausea and vomiting. Ginger has a spicy flavor to it, which takes this juice to another level. Like, it's a superfood, so I can't talk about ginger enough. For me, ginger has to be my juice. So, yeah, let's ginger you up. As if ginger is not enough, we are adding fresh mint leaf. This particular fresh mint leaf was grown at my back garden, so it is organic. So fresh mint leaf is vibrant and adds a vibrant aromatic twist to your juice. It is great for digestive health and complements well with ginger, lemon, or even lime. Yes, lime. We're adding lime to this mix, and it will help to further increase the amount of vitamin C, antioxidants, which will overall boost our skin health and boost our immunity. And see if that's not enough, spices. Yes, I'm going to be adding 2 spices to this juice, dry spices. One is cinnamon, which comes with great health benefits. That will be you leaving the benefits of cinnamon in the comment section. I'm eyeballing it. Do you be you? And the other one is clove. Yes, blended dry cloves. Tell me in the comment section, what are some of the benefits? Do you add them in your juice or in your drink, tea? Well, let's get started. It's juice time, and today I'm using my Nama J2 cold press juicer. Have you seen the unboxing video? If you have not, check it out. I think it's the video before this one. I'm so optimistic about my Nama hands-free juicer. Yes, I spell it hands-free because I don't have to babysit it when I'm juicing. All I need to do is to add my ingredients, cover, and then tidy up while it's doing its thing. We'll just see how it goes. Okay, that's all. So this is it, juice ready. Look at that full jug of juice and the pulp that was produced. I personally love to strain my juices, but really with Nama juice I've noticed that you barely have anything to strain. Again, I say do you and be you. I love juicing. Juicing is a great way to take in essential vitamins, especially for me, a fuzzy eater. A lot of things I can't eat, but I can juice them. So it gives me opportunity to keep hydrated, boost nutrients in my body, and stay healthy. Just look at those jar of good health. Make food your medicine. I say make food your medicine. Until I see you next time, remember, if you've not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, like this video, leave me a comment. I love to know what you think about it, or if you've juiced it before, let us know in the comment section. Share this video to those you know that will love it. Now go make yours. Bye bye. Remember to watch these videos that are popping up. I'm sure you'll find them informative. Bye.